Hello there folks, and welcome to Chris Hull Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. So where do we start here? This is a remake of a video I did the other day, but I regret to inform you that yours truly ability to read Roman numerals is limited at best. When I did this video the other day, so most of you already seen this bike. I described it as a stage 6, and one of you nice folk out there pointed out that it's not a stage 6, it's actually a stage 4. But like I say, I'd forgotten how to read Roman numerals from school, and I read it as a 6. So I have this morning gone and put my head in the vice first, and had a word with myself, and so we're gonna have to do this video again. But it's a stage 4, so all you folks out there that have seen it when I was talking about stage 6, you don't need to watch it again. You've seen it, it's just a 4, not a 6. Everything else is the same, but I do need to redo it. Slightly embarrassing from myself, and I gave myself a telling off. I should have checked, I wasn't 100% sure, and like I say, I remember doing Roman numerals at school, but that wasn't last week, so I can be forgiven ever so slightly. So anyway, rather than me waffling on, I apologise for that. So like I say, all you guys that have seen this video of this bike when described as a stage 6, it is actually a stage 4. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. For all you that haven't seen the previous video, because that has been deleted, forget all that I've just said, ignore it, let's just move on. So this is the 2020 Harley Davidson FLFBS FatBoy. It's a 128 Ci, absolutely beautiful bike. The colour's gorgeous. Like I say, it's a stage 4, so I'll list all the performance parts that come on that kit in a minute. We'll do a start up, we'll have a walk round, that kind of thing going on. The bike is a one previous owner bike. It's only done 7,613 miles, and I think we'll all agree it looks beautiful. So if you're new to the channel, we always start at the back of the bike. We'll have a walk round, we'll have a start up, we'll do the paperwork and that kind of stuff. So starting at the back of the bike, as always, the paintwork is absolutely to die for. I do like this flat matte silver with the pinstripe and the black. It looks absolutely very classy. Rear tyres in very good condition. Rear wheel stunning. The seats are very, very nice. No rips, no tears or anything like that. We've got the Thrashing exhaust fitted. We've also got let me just get down here. So all the indicators and what have you built into this little strip just here on the back of the bike, which just looks really, really neat. The bike's been done really tastefully, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Tank, again, really nice and clean, nothing to be made aware of there. This bike has been very well looked after. And of course we've got the Screaming Eagle air filters there, and like I say, Screaming Eagle 128 stage 4, not 6. I am never going to forget that. And as you can see, you've got nice running boards, working his way up, working his way forward, real nice kind of a beach bar style handlebars, bit of a swept back, great headlight. Oh, again, you've got all this brushed chrome and brushed silver across the top, looks very nice. And again, check out that front wheel, folks. Yeah. And again, up front you've got these little tiny indicators just under here, under the reservoirs. Again, looking really neat. So the bike's got a real slim profile, even though it's a big chunky bike. You know, it's all very neat, which as you guys know, I quite like neat bikes. Got an Optimate cable just there, but what an absolute gorgeous bit of kit. I am told that the bike does go very quick by its previous owner. It's told me it's a bit of a rapid machine. But yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So paperwork wise, let me just go through a few things with you guys. owner's manual service book, data tag information, HPI, some other bits of paper there as well. I've got all the keys. In fact, they're in my pocket. Okay, folks, so what does the stage 4 components include? So you get the Screaming Eagle CNC ported cylinder head with CNC machine chamber. You get the 128 stage 4 timing cover, not stage 6 timing cover, which I pointed out the other day. You get the SEA 517 high lift cam, forged high compression pistons. You get Screaming Eagle high performance cam bearing, Screaming Eagle high performance tappet, Screaming Eagle 4.31 steel sleeve cylinders. You get the Screaming Eagle 64mm throttle body, and you get the Screaming Eagle high flow injectors. I've got a full printout of all the stuff that you do get with this Milwaukee stage 4. So it's the 107 CI to the 128 CI kit, basically, it's fitted to this bike, which, yeah, it's just lovely. So without further ado, the bit you've all been waiting for, let's have a start up. So let's just put some life in the girl, and here we go, folks. How good does that sound, guys? That sounds absolutely lovely. So the bike will come with a full MOT. It will also come with a full check over in the workshop, and it will come with a 3-month warranty with ourselves. We can offer nationwide or international delivery on this vehicle. I can also offer 0 deposit finance on this vehicle up to 5 years, and we also look at part exchanges as well. But it's just a good looking bike. It is just a good looking bike, innit? That sounds awesome, looks great, goes like stink. Yeah, I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Okay, folks, if you want to know how much this beautiful bike is, there is a description below which contains a price and also a link to our website where you can find this bike on our website, and there'll be a load of photos in high definition so you can have a bit of a close look at particular critical areas. Now, if you've got any questions on this bike, you can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishullmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come and have a butcher's at this bike, not a problem at all, more than welcome. And as always, folks, if you live more than a mile away, just drop me a line before you set off, just to make sure the bike is in stock and available. Other than that, guys, I'm going to sign off, but before you do, I'd like you to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and tick that bell for notifications for me, please. I really do appreciate the YouTube support, and without you guys, I'd still be saying that this is a stage 6 and not a stage 4. So thank you to the gentleman that pointed that out. I will go and get re-educated at some point. So anyway, folks, thank you very much for watching, and hey, don't forget, if you're passing Doncaster, pop in, have a brew with us, the kettle's usually on. And thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day, whatever you're doing, and we hope to see you all very soon. Cheers for watching.